I'm speaking with Mike Mason, Regional Director at Fairbanks Scales, about how selecting the right weighing technologies helps waste management customers increase their bottom line. These technologies and more will be available for viewing at Waste Expo 2018 at Fairbanks booth 1028. Let's start by discussing the Talon HVX scale. How does the scale's incredibly strong modules, along with their Interlogix lightning protection system, help with waste management loads?
The waste industry's demands on weighing equipment is extreme, both in environment and extremely high usage. Fairbanks steel deck and field pour HVX truck scales feature a 100,000-pound concentrated load capacity, which translates into an industry-best deflection rating on the Talon HVX. Deflection or bending of the scale's steel components under the pressure of the loaded truck axles running across the scale deck leads to failure of the weighbridge. Fairbanks' superior engineered design combats fatigue as a result of excessive deflection and leads to a long truck scale life with minimum service needed. Fairbanks Interlogix technology is a standard option on the Talon HVX truck scale and provides benefits of 10 times better lightning protection than any other truck scale on the market today. Interlogix also provides many features and benefits like the ability to predict load cell failures before they happen, getting your scale increased accuracy and stability, and the ability to get our scale up and running in the event of a catastrophic failure with the use of intuitive service menus and technician interfaces.
What are the advantages of Fairbanks Access Solutions Entry Station? Tell us about the advantages in the waste industry of quickly capturing essential transaction information and relaying real-time information to the driver.
The waste industry requires fast transaction to avoid long lines to use the scale, as well as the flexibility of weighing 24/7. Fairbanks has seen the need for remote terminals to be included with our truck scale applications increase significantly over the last 5 years. The primary advantage to having the FBAS terminal on a truck scale is to save time, eliminate the need of a designated weighmaster, or weigh after hours when the office is closed. Any or all of these factors can be accomplished with the FBAS. By not having the driver exit their truck to get the weigh ticket, the transaction process is very quick and efficient. Because the terminal provides everything needed to process their weighment in a fast and easy fashion, the need for a designated employee to monitor the weighing transaction is not necessary. This employee can be used elsewhere in the customer's business. Finally, the terminal is weatherproof and located directly next to the truck scale. Weighing after hours can be done easily with all the information captured and routed to the appropriate place. The FBAS has both audio and visual prompts that allow the driver a simple and easy-to-use interface.
Now tell us a bit about the 1605 RF remote display and the benefits of eliminating cabling between the scale instrument and the remote display.
In many states, a remote display is required by weights and measures law. In order for the driver to see the remote display, many times the remote is installed hundreds of feet away from the scale indicator. The 1605 RF remote display eliminates the need for saw cutting, trenching, conduit, and cable connecting the remote to the indicator. The cost savings can be quite significant to the overall cost of the truck scale installation.
Let's wrap it up with a quick overview of the FB2550 instrument. Tell us about all the features, functionality, and connectivity that make it so great for today's truck weighing applications.
The 2550 is an extremely versatile digital instrument that interfaces to a truck scale using analog or Interlogix digital technology. The 2550 incorporates a Windows 8 operating system, multiple outputs, and a wide variety of field bus accessories. It can be used to network to other 2550 instruments or used by itself to weigh trucks, generate a wide variety of standard reports, or just print a weight ticket. The 2550 has an easy-to-read menu-driven display that makes weighing trucks simple and highly reliable.
Mike, thanks so much for speaking with us today about the innovative products to be showcased in booth 1028 at Waste Expo. For more information about Fairbanks products, please visit the company's website at www.fairbanks.com.